Welcome everyone back, guys. My name is Senki from GUYSSSSS. Today we're opening another booster box from BT-05. I'm really surprised what is in there because I didn't get my hand card because it is Omnimon Sword Ordered. I hope we get one. But before I open the booster box and other packs, leave a like in the comment section down below which favorite BT-05 card you have and give me and subscribe, because at 400 subscribers we're making this giveaway with the great binder here. We are live on Twitch right now, so you will see the Twitch chat. They're really nice guys. Without further ado, let's get started. We got here follow Anna, thank you for the follow. So we start with some packs. I won today my hobby league with Rookie Rush, so I get a few packs. We start with the first one. I open both. And the second one. So the first card, they really like. Okay, the first card we have is a Black Wargreymon Digiverse. We like this card. I like black, but only in BT6. Thank you, Anna. And the second we have another Black Wargreymon. Okay, I take it. I take it. No worries. Anna and me wish you defeat Aldart. Thank you very much. Which card we're getting here? We have, in this promo, we have Metal Greymon, Zudomon, Angewomon, and Hercules. Is it Mega Caputeron? For my collection, I have the Metal Greymon. I want one of these three. I don't care which one of these. Angewomon is the most hunted waifu card, so I guess she will be cool. And we're getting Zudomon. It's nice. I have Zudomon now. I didn't guard him because I sell, like, in the first time it comes out, I sold him for a few dollars. So I'm happy to and glad to take one. Now we have TP1. There comes out this card here. I don't know if you see them. My camera don't focus. Bro, why you don't focus? They're coming the black lineups to Diaburumon and to Venomiotismon. We want to get the rookies because they are cheap. Like, not cheap, they're high in price here in Germany. So we want to take more than once here. For my opinion, Karamon will be cool. And we get Devimon. Can I have to move my light a little bit like this? Ba, 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 ba. Guys, you can interact with me, no worries. We're getting Kurisarimon. Like, I want Karamon. I have 4, but it's nice to have one. More than once. We're getting now. Ooh, Devimon, nice. A money card. Nice, we got one. And we're getting now, for the last card we have for the TP1 series here, we got Diaboromon at the end. Nice. Nice one to take one. Now we have the cool two Great Legends Anniversary Power Pack, also Power Rank Up packs. There are good cards as well. Palmon it is here. Sunarisemon is a good card. We have the hybrid support coming in here. We have all the time 2 cards. So with the first card, Diaboromon, let's go. We have Agunimon. It's nice for hybrid support. And as the Holo, we want to get Palmon. And we get Palmon! Nice! Woo. Lucky! Nice, Palmon is a really nice card. Oh, I missleeved it. Nobody saw it. We get Palmon here. Phil is happy because he wants Palmon. Maybe we can take Palmon as a second pick up maybe in the not holo slot. And we have Gatomon. I want this in holo, sadly. And the second one is Sunarisemon. 2 level 3s are always good because they're hunted and they're holos. So that was all of the extra packs. Now we're coming to the BT-05 displays. We are making here box topper guessing. So you can put down in the chat which box topper we're getting. Your ask, your thoughts. Just had a little bit of delay. So they need to write down which box topper I have. I missed Nokia, I missed Arata, and I missed Matt and Tai. And these 3 I'm missing. So I hope you write them down. That we get one of those. The green one? You mean the Mimi? Okay. Takumi. Okay, what guessing Takumi will be guessing. I need wait to 1 or 2 more. Box open a little bit. What is it? Nobody wants to guess. Only Takumi? I don't want Takumi. Can somebody write down Arata, please? For me? Or I will make it myself? Okay, I will make it myself. Arata. Good, we're getting Arata. And we're getting Soda and Jokido. I have this one, but it's okay to have 2. I hope you it's for the white. Yeah, I didn't get the white man. Sadly. I have a friend who's selling me Nokia and the other one, so I need to buy them, I guess. Now we're coming to the opening. I will like mix the booster packs that we're getting up the hit ratios. We're having Trisamon, Garbagemon, Kursarimon, Colamon, Gladimon, Black Masugargomon, Royal Nuts, Kibimon, Digimon, Tsunemon, Megi, Tramon, and for the first hit it is Rafflesiamon. For the green support you have in the new decks. Wait, let me. Now there comes the autofocus now. But you know all. Rafflesiamon has 2 good options to play here. The next pack. For the awesome air pack opening, guys. We have Kotemon, Troopmon, Meramon, Wheatmon, Commandramon, Jokermon, Palmon, Superstarmon, Mirai from the Darkness, Zambamon. Our first rare is Nokia. And we're getting Sakuyamon. We have now Troopmon, Karamon, Moishiromon, Koetemon, Nightomon, Ultimate Flyer, Gladimon, Absolute Blast, Bancho-Lilimon, a Blazing Storm for Metal, Omni Shoutmon is a nice rare to pick up, and Hexablaumon. These 2 hits I got from my other last box on my YouTube video. Like not in the same order, but I got these 2. Now I have 5 Hexablaumons. I'm thinking of why. I guess the light you can see the hits really good. So like go there. Deramon, Palmetamon, Meramon, Cubimon, Marine Devimon, Jokermon, Supreme Cannon, Kiwimon, Monitamon, Tsunemon, Mega Digimon Fusion, and Yerabomon. I hope I pull a SWAT defeat. They're in my chair, like hunting card. I hope. We got Pilomon, Kurisarimon, Gaussmon, Taomon, Troopmon, Garurumon, Rolly Rocker, Spiral Masquerade, Gilmon, Raymon. Our first rare is Garurumon Sakira's mode, and we got Zora and Tai. Here you guys see the box support art and the normal rare art. I like the box support because I collect them. Now we're getting to the next pack. We have Miwasamon, Monsteromon, Morishelmon, Mecharonimon, Palidramon. Here, Yurit, you want the counter? Here, you got it. Meteor Shower, Palmon, Tsuemon, Crespaldramon, a Blazing Storm of Metal, Metallic Remon, Alterous Mode, and Nokia. Like me and Yurit was talking about the counters of Rookie Rush. Starmon says no to it. But you need 6 rookies, bro. 6 to out it. Floramon, Keramon, Coelamon, Pilomon, Paramon, Demonic Disaster, Nightomon, Digimon, Superstarmon, Absolute Blast, Black Walk Romon, and we got an alternative art. I guess I don't have it right now. So we got the Omnimon alternative art. Which is it? Is it this one with Armageddon or is it the other one? Like, I don't know. Like, I collect them, so I don't know if I got this. Let me check all 3 seconds. No, I don't have it. Like, I got my third copy now, so I got these 2. I got my third. No, I'm only missing 1. Nice to pick it up. Now I need only a spot defeat. Cubemon, really good with green. Pilomon, Gaussmon, Floramon, Keramon, Demonic Disaster, Gladimon, Shooting Starmon, Kurumon, Monitamon, Black Wargreymon, and Metallic Remon Alternative Mode. Oh, we're getting a normal SWAT, and a SWAT defeat will really be nice. Meramon, Gardenbitchmon, Musamon, Cutemon, Black Rawmon, Supreme Cannon, Agumon, Digimon, Crespaldramon, Tsunemon, Nokia, and Terramon Assistant. It is the autumn of Omni SWAT. Wait. You need to put this with Art Omni SWAT. Has SWAT and Art. Ah, yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, I know what you mean. Sakuyamon. Oh, we see here. Oh no, it's not shiny. Deramon. It was the Adorbigmon. Goetemon. Moncherumon. Piximon. Royal Nuts. Fake Agumon Expert. Revive from the Darkness. Neptumon. War Raru Monzaemon. The best couple I get in the set. And Armageddon. Like, you want to pull this. Like, I pulled this in the extra booster I assumed to open, but yeah. What is it? My camera wrong. Camera, what's wrong with you? It's the other with the Omni SWAT. Oh, okay. Yeah, I know what you mean. Sayakamon, Cubimon, Black Rowmon, Tricermon, Rowdy Rocker, Black Bagumon, Garurumon, Shoutumon. Like, do you see this too? Is it a hit? Transcendence Ward, Kiwimon. It is a hit. SWAT defeat, SWAT defeat, SWAT defeat, SWAT defeat. It is the Omnimon. Okay, we're getting in the right direction. We're getting into the right way. We have a lot of new booster packs left, so 5 hits. We only need 4 more. Garbagemon, Kurisarimon, Colemon, Coetamon, Droopmon, Ultimate Flare, Piximon, Pigmon, Gilmon, Greymon, Renamon, and Whistle. Renamon is a rare, like, yikes. It has a good effect. I thought of playing maybe it in Rookie Rush 2. So, Dorbigmon, Deramon, Black Gargomon, Marine Derimon, Ultimate Flare, Black Mach Gargomon, Agumon, Shooting Starmon, Rosemon, Shademon, Whistle, and Chaos Galapmon as the super rare. Ah, good to see you, buddy. Swati feet, Swati feet, Swati feet, Swati feet, Swati feet. Good beginning. Starlemon, Miyasamon, Mono Rochmon, Morishelmon, Mekaronimon, Demonic Disaster, Piximon, Kurumon, Bancholilimon, Absolute Blast, Bulkumon, and Agumon. Okay, few packs left. Like if at 6 hits I make a mega booster, like opening all and then show you if you get another hit. Black Gargomon, Marine Derimon, Mekaronimon, Swati feet, Triceramon, Paletramon, Gladimon, Rowdy Rocker, Shoutumon, Sambamon. Now we need to Shoutmon Deeks, by the way. Pigmon, Earthshaker, Arata Salada, and it was the Earthshaker, was the rare, and Emerigouche. It makes a good rhyme. Swati feet, do 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 do. Miyusayamon, Tricermon, Floramon, Mekaronimon, Varajamon, Royal Nuts, Nightmon, Shademon, Seagreymon, right from the darkness. Armageddon, Alter. Oh, bro! What the fuck? Only Swati feet, Wargreymon, Bulkumon, and it was like Wargreymon is a rare, but looks really decent for a rare. I didn't saw it, like holy shit. Okay, we're 3, 6, 7. We need the last one here. Taking the last one. I hope we don't do the secret rare in the last pack. Marigold, let's go! Morishelmon, Starmons, Kurisamon, Taomon, Vajiramon, Garurumon, Jokermon, Greymon, Yokomon, Transcended Swat, Takomi, and the other one. 3, 6. We have 2 hits left. I make now a mega booster, about 3 or 3 packs. I make 4 packs, by the way. Tactimon. Tactimon. No, we want good pulls. Garbage, Geos, Starmons, Dobigmon, Garurumon, Agumon, Demonic Disaster, Digimon, Yokomon, Sambamon, Tai, and Swati feet, 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 Swati feet. Jesus. Let's go. Let's go, chat. Mwah. And the last pull, but we have 3, 6, 7. The last pull is Shoutumon. Oh, Nightbot was Gem. Oh no, Gem is tilted. Oh no, I see it. Weedmon, Vajabimon, Cubimon, Geosmon, Commandramon, Palmon, Meteor Shower, Gabumon. You can actually fry 1v1 Nightbot, Omni Shoutmon, and Black Walkmon. Like we're skipping these now. Only I can see something. Takomin Agromon. We have here the hit. We have here the last hit. So I will put this away like 3, 6, 7, 9. We had 9, like with 9 hits. Shamans. Fighting versus my Nightbot all the time. We have Piximon. Like here you see the Piximon, Meteor Shower, Black Gargomon, Gabumon, Spiral Masquerade, Rosemon, and behind here is Shoutmon. Behind the next one is Shoutmon. Woo! Lord tonight, man. Phil is like thinking about, yeah, boy, I'm getting cards. Yeah, Phil's searching this. And we have here the last super rare I saw, sadly. I don't know which one, but we want Shoutmon. We want Defeat and Shoutmon as well. And these, like my hits, like what I was getting is like Defeat or one Omni Alert, I guess, for my collection. So I have got 2. And I only Shoutmon to play the deck. So Paradramon, Cutemon, Pilomon, Gaussmon, Rowdy Rocker, like we have here. Shoutumon, Nightmon, Meteor Shower, Gabumon, Pigmon, Monitamon, Yerobomon, and Digicross Shoutumon. Oh, das hat funktioniert. Wir haben Shoutmon bekommen. Nice. We got Shoutmon. Digicross. And we have the last 2 packs, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Yeah, we're getting no hits, but we open it. I make a big pack. Oh, nice opening. Nice opening. I'm gladly happy. I am so happy to get all the things. So we have, for the rares, we have Sora and Jokido. Metal Greymon Alterous Mode. And for the last 2 rares, we have Arata and Terriermon Assistant. Did we get raw nuts? No. No nuts. No nuts November. Okay, for the pulls, we have the box topper Sora and Takumichi. We got 1 Chaos Galmon, 1 Omnimon Blitz, 1 Lord Nightmon, 1 Armageddonmon, 1 Hexaplaumon, 1 Rafflesiamon, 1 Shoutumon Deeks. Unser alternative art was the Omnimon. And for the secret rare slot, we got in the Defeat we want. It was a nice display. It was a really nice display. Thank you guys for watching. Please like the video, right, left, headbutt the thumbs up button. Subscribe for my channel for free to get into the 400 subs to reach the giveaway. Thank you guys for watching. Stay healthy. You're Zenki.